let's take a look at the euro dollar for the upcoming September the 9th session. You can see we finally had a big, powerful rally, several hundred pips, very short period of time, really. Powered right back up to the top side of this channel. And you can see having this channel in play was excellent for profit taking. You know, when it came back up here and paused, hopefully this was something you had on your charts. You could expect that it would pause up at that level. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour chart. And there's a lot of belief here that this top level is going to hold at this particular point. Yesterday was a full market coming into play, a lot of players coming into the market. It was just a big explosion over a 4-hour period. And we did have some good follow through, but it wasn't the same drama that came from this candle right here. And so the 4-hour is telling us, wow, we've come a long way, right? There's a lot of resistance up in this level. A lot of the oscillators are maxed out, and our MACD is just starting to get a negative histogram bar here. So let's take a look at even the 1-hour very carefully. Look at that MACD still saying this overall trend is strong to the upside. And the euro is going to be actually, I think, a fairly easy trade setup to watch for tonight. So really, it's going to be about this high on this channel, and this is going to be pretty big. So let's think about this. If we get a close below this low here, we're going to, on a 30-minute chart, we're going to go ahead and look for a sell, and we're going to look for price to come back and retest this resistance level right in here before the breakout. So let's highlight that real quick. We're going to look for price to come back in. We're going to move that up to this level. If we happen to close below those lows on a 30-minute chart. And we're going to look for these lows right here where you see my cursor. And we're going to look for price maybe to drift back down. We'd have a 1, 2, 3 top coming in here. Look for it to pull back. The other thing we're going to watch for now, and this is not a 30-minute chart, it's a close on the 60-minute chart above this level. Above these highs, that would be coming outside of that channel. That would be a really strong indication of the 60-minute close that we're going to continue on up to a much higher level. And again, that would be a breakout of that channel on the daily chart, inclining channel right here. You can see that. Then that would be fairly significant. So getting back down to that 30-minute chart, the one buy opportunity we'll be looking for is a close above this level, remember, on a 60-minute chart. The one sell opportunity we'll be looking for is a close below this level here on a 30-minute chart. And let's go ahead and draw this trend line out into the future that we have right now. We have that developing, and let's just say in the future out here, if price gets up to these highs anywhere near it, maybe a little bit, even a little bit higher than this, and price holds, and we close back down below this trend line on a 30-minute chart, I would be looking for price to fall off a little bit more. Now, granted, we're up here near this top. It might have a lot of spiking and whipping price action, but nonetheless, we have a couple good opportunities to trade. And really, I think that there's one really solid, strong buy right now. And again, that would be above this daily trend line and a close above this level on a 60-minute. And two possible sells that we're going to be watching for based on 30-minute candle closes below this trend line here that's developing, and or below this low here. So that's going to be a wrap for the euro dollar for the upcoming September the 9th session.